Hi everyone, welcome back to Smart AI Technologies. This is Rao. Today we are going to see how we can apply our data science knowledge on day-to-day life. So one of the examples that we are going to consider today is making a cricket practitioner or a student who plays a batting from noob to a perfect person within a less time by using our data science. Our data science can transform his life within a few days. We are trying this. We are working with so many cricket clubs. We are from Delhi, Bangalore, like that. So we are trying to provide this solution to them, and we want to show them. So we are bringing a Android application also, where that Android application will be very helpful to record the data, okay, to update the results, to update the analytic parts. So we will make it very soon. Normally that is a bigger case, but before that, in this small example, how we will understand and how we can make that noob cricket batsman to a perfect person within a few days, how to track and solve the problem, how to track and improve his techniques. So let us start with directly coding. There is no much theory, only directly coding and understand the stuff. That's all. So before moving further, I want to show you something. Uh, this is the data I have about one student who played around 100 shots. So here you can see, okay, what is the over, okay, what type of bowler is that, and ball type, what was the length of that ball, what is the speed, and whether it is a wicket or not, okay, and what is the score for that ball. This is there. So now how to analyze this data, okay, around 100 balls of a student who faced those balls. So now we will analyze and we will understand about that person, that student, and we will try to advise him where he is failing and where he is strong, where he should improve, and how he can become a perfect person when he works with a plan. So let us start with the coding. First we will import our data set. Okay, before that we'll import our two libraries. One is pandas, another one is numpy. So after that I'm going to import that data set using pandas, and I'm going to print some values to check whether the data we are importing is proper or not. Once we are done with it, here I am using a simple C-born library to plot the graphs, because we need graphical analysis that will be very much catchy. Even if I show this graph to a 5th standard or 6th standard student, he should understand it. He should understand what that graph is saying to him. So that was our intention. So here you see, first I am trying like what bowler, which type of bowler the batsman is scoring high or low. That is my concern. Again, when he is scoring like that, what the effect that length of that ball is bringing to him. Good length, how he plays to full Yorker or say short balls, like that. So now you can see, once I plot the graph, what it will give me is, for medium facer score is around below 3 to 1 to 3 medium score for a ball. Now when it comes to fast bowler, when a fast bowler bowls, the runs are very high for him, little bit higher than the medium facer. That you can see, lines are going bit up. Okay, among fast bowler you can see that blue color line is going is above. Actually blue color nothing but short ball. It means when a fast bowler bowls short length ball, that batsman is scoring high. Actually he is taking 6, just like a Rohit Sharma. Okay, so when a short ball, speed ball comes with a short length, he is scoring very well. And for other type of balls, he is scoring bit good. Okay, so again when it comes to spin, you see run is falling. It means even for spinner he is failing with short ball, that is blue line, and also pink red line. You can see short and good length for a spinner is struggling, whereas full length and archer of a spin ball is scoring bit good. So he is having problem with short ball and good length of a spinner, and he is very strong with short ball of a fast bowler. These are the insights that we need to check. That means he need to work on spin bowler against a spin bowler, especially when spin bowler balls short ball and good length balls. Here in this, what I am trying to bring out the insight is, for which type of bowler the wicket is falling, that batsman is getting out. Okay, and also which length. So above we saw that when he was scoring, for his score the problem was maximum spin bowler with good length and short length. Now here also the same stuff, even he is not scoring at all for spinner that much good, and also he is falling wicket, that you can see. For spin, wicket falling is 20 to 40% possibility that he will fall a wicket. Blue line and red line, again they are going up for wicket, they were coming down for score runs. That means even he is not defending against a spinner, he is getting out. There is a way for him, even if he don't score, he can just defend for a spinner so that he can stay on the ground for a little bit more. Is trying something, okay, some shots he is trying and is getting out, or there is a possibility of getting out for a spinner. So analyzing two graphs, we are getting one thing: against spinner he is having big trouble, he is not scoring, again he is falling wicket for the same type of ball, that is short length or good length. Okay, so this is a problem that he need to understand and he need to solve himself. And then comes, I want to know speed and wicket. What is happening with the speed and wicket, whether he is able to survive that, or which speed range is becoming problem to him. Again you see here a good length and short length again are becoming problem, speed. So the wicket falling in this range is very high. So our final conclusion here is simple, that batsman is in trouble when there is a spinner with good length and short balls. So there is a possibility, if that spinner balls 4 over, within 4 over he will be gone, that batsman will be almost gone. So this is a serious stuff. It feels very simple, but when you collect the data, when you study it properly, you will understand the insights. They are our key. So data is actually power. Someone says data is power, that we don't understand how data can be a power. Data is key to everything. If you know how to use data properly, you can rule the stuff. So this was all about today. So we tried to show you, but in future we are going to bring one application, Android application, that I will be updating here. Our team is building that, where we will be collecting data of a person. We will make it free. Okay, anyone can use. Anyone, if you are playing cricket or your children are playing cricket, you can use that application and you can record these things. We will make that interface so that you can record the data very easily. Once you record there, our team will be analyzing the stuffs and it will be giving you a report just like this. I think you can see the screen now. This is a weekly report. We will generate weekly report for that particular person. You can see here the same stuff. This is sample actually, but when we build our Android application completely and we bring it to market, it will be entirely different. We'll be using some standard tools for that. We will use most viable technologies, most accurate technologies in our work, so that we can bring out great insights. And also we'll use machine learning to it. We will be making that thing to guide you how you can reduce or improve the stuff. We will build the models. So there is a lot thing coming up. You can see here for every little graph. Okay, for every little graph I am bringing great insights, 4 or 5 insights to him. So here you can see for speed, okay, between 125 to 120 to 125 and 145 of good length ball. If that bowler can bring this a good length ball of speed 120 to 125, that means a slow ball at good length is gone. That batsman will almost be gone, because as for our little research, it says he is trying big hits. Okay, he is the person who always tries to go for big hits, so he faces the problem. Otherwise, with the slow bowler always the out will be almost caught. Why? Because when they feel the ball is coming very slow, they try to take it out of the ground, so there they will fail. So this is one example. And again, for short length ball 145, the same thing again. Okay, so short ball again is failing. So solutions are very simple. You need to practice more on spinners. That is a concern. Okay, if normally he practices daily four speed bowlers, two spinners, that's fine. But to reduce this probability, to increase the positive probability, you should change that trend. You should daily practice minimum four spinners, and they, if they make him to take short on short length, short and good length balls, if you practice on this, you will see that graph entirely different. Again, short bowler, fast bowler, again as I said, you need to practice a lot. That person need to practice a lot there. He scores sixes, fours, like that is a, but again there's a possibility of falling wicket, that if that ball speed reduces. Oh, this is one of the sample report. Okay, sample report that we done. Okay, but we have so much of big plan where we can analyze the entire cricket persons around the India, and we are planning a little more than that. So we will be bringing this technology to life. Yeah, we'll try to help the people, help the students, and even coaches. When they see reports like this, they will be very happy, and it will be very easy for them to say, okay, wow, and it will be very easy for them to guide. Okay, we will be giving weekly reports. If any one of you are practicing, or anyone among your family are practicing cricket, let them know this. You can contact us directly to our team. Now also we can help you. There is no need to wait until our Android application comes to market. You can take action now itself. Thank you very much. We will see you in next class.